Governors ma county ma Narok gi Kajiado osingo ni gibiro tiyo kanyakla e bero sekta ma limbe, pur to gi somo kaka yor bero ngima jodak e counties go. Kane giloso e chenro mar yango kambi moriwo counties ariyogo miluongo ni Narok Kajiado Economic Block kata NACAEB e kind higa 2022 nyaka 2060, Gavana ma Narok Patrick Ole Ntutu nokwayo jod bura ma counties go mondo mi ochan budget mabiro tayo chenro mag gero kambino. Gavana ma Kajiado Joseph Ole Lenku bende nojiwo chenro mar bero sekta ma limbe kaluwore ni kaunti ma Kajiado ogo tong' gi Tanzania ma bende Masai mathoth kwae.
Meaningfully to the country because of our earlier rejecting what we thought is Mzungu education way. What if we decide to say the biggest misery our people are going through is education, and we say let's deal with education?
We need to have what I call a matrix implementation plan. Now that we have launched, now we want you to go back now and develop a matrix plan so that we know who is supposed to do what. If it is me who is failing as a governor of Narok, you tell us this is where you are failing. If it is Kajiado, it is Kajiado. Is it the members of our county assembly or what?
There is need for us to bring on board the professionals in the two counties so that we can discuss about our education and the performance of our children.
Odong' mana ndalo 10 kende to thuolo mane governors ochiwo ni gibiro loro counties ka ok giyudo